Nice shower. I low-key messed up. I should have went outside and ran before I hopped in the shower. But I wasn't planning on low-key running, but then I just thought about it. I'm like, I should have ran so I can go and see this neighborhood, see what cafes and stuff is around here. That's really a pro tip for, like, run when you get to new places, obviously, as long as it's not a dangerous place. But yeah, so now I'm thinking about when I'm gonna work out today. I'm probably finna go to the city. I'm about 20 minutes from the city. I'm a little bit on the outside, so I'm probably gonna go to the city. I'll probably end up going to the gym. Shit, I'll probably end up wearing gym clothes and then just going to the gym sometime while I'm in the city, or I'm gonna go at some point, or I'm gonna do another home workout. We're gonna get it in some way, somehow, some shape or form. Woo-wee! Alright, we finna get dressed. I'm uploading a YouTube video right now, but we finna get dressed. I got recommended to go to eat this breakfast burrito, so I'm about to go get this breakfast burrito in the city. I heard it's absolutely fire, so I'm gonna give y'all a food review. If you're new to this channel, welcome to the channel. My name is Joe Fit Johnson. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a young mogul in the making. Fuck that, a young mogul in the now. Right now we are in Thailand, Bangkok. Just got here yesterday. Yeah, we're here for vlogs, business, crypto, self-development, modeling, mindset, entrepreneurship, digital real estate. You feel me? We here just stacking wins. You feel me? Getting better. This loft is a vibe. I'm finna get dressed. You know we gotta moisture the body. You feel me? It's a must, man. One thing I don't play about is having my skin ashy. I mean, I do be playing, but I definitely prefer to have it not ashy. You feel me? We got the, you know what I'm saying, oversized shorts. Black t-shirt, it's nice and fitted, nice Calvin Klein, one of my favorite t-shirts, or wife beater. Not to beat the wife, but to eat the wife, treat the wife. Yeah, you know, we sleep the wife, and I'm going hard, nice. The New Balances, we got the runners, or we got the Sambas. Yo, really important pro tip. If you want to get better at pull-ups, if you want to get fit, get a pull-up bar in your crib. Just get one of those doorway pull-up bars. I promise you, if you have a pull-up bar and you're not a complete lazy fuck, then when you see the pull-up bar, you're going to want to do pull-ups. Like, even when I'm in a loft, right, and I have these pull-ups, wake up in the morning and just get some.
I think you're captivating. I think you're captivating.
Yeah, it's not the time to pump these brakes. I don't care how much I love her, how much money that I've made. That wasn't the goal, it never was. I'm trying to see what my zenith is, what it looks like to believe and strengthen all of my weaknesses. Inconveniences or hurdles, discipline jumps over. I wanna see how it feels to do 12 months sober. I wanna feel self-love without the vanity. I wanna feel what it'd be like to give a Grammy speech.
Yo, so I don't even know how I came across this well, I do know. I was getting breakfast and then I just, like, shit, I'm in the city, huh? I should just go out and walk around. One thing I say I lack at is having an itinerary when I go to these places. I be vibing, bro. I just go with the flow, and I always find dope shit, honestly. Like, I always find the shit that people usually look up. But I mean, I be looking up some stuff on like TikTok and whatnot, but yo, this mall is fire. This mall is super fire. Like, that was so random. I literally just took a right, went across the street, big ass crazy mall. I got all the designer stores, all the stores in general, super clean, super aesthetic. There's a gym. I really just want to find, honestly, a nice little cafe that I can work at, drink some espresso, and I'm gonna go to the gym a little later. So look, as I just said, I'm looking for a coffee shop to work at. That's a coffee shop. That's a coffee shop. That's a coffee shop. Bro, God really be guiding me, bro. I promise y'all. Like, I don't be just like each floor right here. Like, pick one. I think I'm gonna go down to that 1%. It looks like an Apple store. It's all white. This one's kind of busting. Freshly breaking, brewed. Then you got roast. We finna go see. And then we got this one over here. So I guess this is where folks come, man. This is where folks come, man. And then we out here for real. Hey, wow, yo, this is crazy. Yo, this shit's really like New York, but like bigger, better. Like these buildings is crazy the way they got these mugs stacked. Like buildings on stores, on designer stores, on regular stores. Ain't no foreign shit. It's America.
I wanna feel what it'd be like to give a Grammy speech. I wanna see exactly how far I could take this independent thing. How high can I fly if I just learn how to extend my wings? What would it be like to be patient? This is a me thing. What would it be like to stop shaming myself to victory? So when I win, it doesn't feel defeating. That's why I'm leaving. I'm seeking constant improvement. I don't have kids, but I foster the movement. The journey's a treasure. If I ain't moving, I'm losing. For real.
I've been priding myself on all of my patience, priding myself on all of my diligence, priding myself on all of my curiosity. I know I'm a gift for it.
Alright, just finished up with workout, steam room. Haven't got the steam room in like 2 months since I've left Bali. Bali had the steam rooms, the ice baths, the saunas, they had everything. But we're going back to Bali soon. But this gym was super nice. I'm glad I got the steam. Feel good. It's about 9:30. I've been here for almost like what, hour and a half, almost 2 hours. Time flies, it's crazy. I was supposed to do a light workout, not sweating my clothes too much, but I ended up sweating in my clothes a lot. So I'm gonna see if I can go buy a t-shirt. So I can at least have some shorts and a t-shirt so I can go get food. If not, I might have to just wear a sweaty t-shirt. Or we're gonna figure it out. We have to get it in. No excuses. And then we hit him with a 2. Slight tuck, little stretch. And then you hit him with a fit. There's 2 type of people. One makes it happen, one makes excuses. We make it happen. Return?
Yep. Shoot.
Shorts?
Shoot. Yeah.
Towels?
Okay. Mine.
Hey, like I said, I'm finna go get some food. Now I don't have to sit in my sweat, you know what I'm saying? I took a shower. So, really, I'm like brand new again. I might not be wearing no drawers. Cause my drawers is, you know what I'm saying, they got wet. Pause. But I'm good. We got a whole day. I can go to the club. No, for real. No dirty shit though, cause I'm clean. I took a shower, soap, everything. Like, I'm good, for real. I forgot you had that. Thank you. Peace out, Virgin Active. So, quick back note. So back in Chiang Mai, I tried to come to a Virgin Active with the same day pass, and they didn't let me in because I didn't have a long-term visa. And this place technically was supposed to do the same thing, but they let me slide. They didn't even ask. I just went in, I tried. And yeah, it was cool. So now we're in the mall, we're leaving, about to go get some food. Hopefully something's open. Not hopefully, something's open. So hopefully something clean is open, because I don't want to keep eating Thai food because the shit's greasy. And I mean, it tastes so good though, but I haven't really had clean eats consistently since I've been in Thailand. So I am inflamed. My ankles is a little swollen. Legs is a little, like, legit. And I've never seen my feet and ankles swollen like I got. I should have took an elevator. But yeah, we finna see what the night gets us into. We'll go get some food and shit, pretty much go home. Oh, but what I was saying is, yeah, we got in, man. That's why you never quit. You never quit. Just because it don't work one time, hey man, keep shooting, man. Shooters gonna shoot, you feel me? So, it didn't work in Chiang Mai, but it worked in goddamn here. And this mall was better, bigger, and the gym's better, bigger, and all that. So, Uniqlo's open. I could get a different shirt, but I'm chilling, honestly. I don't really need to buy a new shirt for no reason. I do need a sweater because it is a bit chilly on the plains and I don't have any type of sweater or long sleeve. But I'm gonna stop chatting and I'm get the vlog in. All right, peace out. Yo, I still don't know exactly what this mall is, but this mug is crazy. They got the Chanel, they got the temple, or the shrine, they got the Balenci next to the shrine. Is kind of disrespectful. You know the Balencis is the petties, but it's all good. Oh, this is called, I think it's called Helix Quarter. Yeah, the Quarterly or some shit. I need some food. And then there's another mall across the street. I didn't even go into that. Wow. Then they got a big ass IKEA. I'm telling you, I did not, coming from America, I didn't know this was all over here. From Chiang Mai to Bangkok to Bali. Like, it ain't all fucked up. This shit lit, just as lit. Not more lit, more clean. On me. Just got to the little dispo, you feel me? Out here the dispos be having smoke lounges because you can't smoke outside. I'm a smoke man, and I'm gonna hit these charts, I'm gonna edit.
Asking you niggas if you should drop music instead of just doing it, nigga. That's dead. Like a doorknob, you about as corny as 4 cops. I've been working on me, myself, my daughter, my health, that's 4 jobs. That ain't even a half of it, do the math of it. I'm stressed and depressed and I'm mad as shit. My girl bad as shit, so subtract a bit. Cause if I love her that much, it's like half of it. I need pre. No.
Alright, listen, I got something really important to tell y'all. Y'all need to read this book called Chop Wood, Carry Water. It's gonna change everything. Not change everything, but it's gonna enlighten you. You feel me? It's a super fire book and it's a story. You feel me? And it's one of those stories where it's like, you know what I'm saying, sensei, you know what I'm saying, and fuck. A short time later. Sensei and mentee, you know, fucking student. I don't, you know. But no, the book is about. I got y'all. Give me a second. No, but listen. What I was gonna say, the book is about learning how to focus on who you become in the process versus the outcome. It's so fire. It's all about the journey, y'all. Everything that we're striving for is literally about the journey. It's literally like focus on each piece of the puzzle. You're never gonna get back again, and you're gonna look back and you're gonna be like, damn, I missed that. So enjoy this. Hey, listen, y'all. Listen. You got 2 options, right? You got success and you got failure, right? But that's an illusion. Because in order to get to success, you have to be introduced to failure. In some way, shape, or form, you're gonna fail. So you got options. Are you going to fail faster and lean into that and figure the shit out? Or are you gonna continue to be a little biatch and overthink it and run from failure? The fear of failure is all, it's in it, bro. We psych ourselves up, y'all. We gotta just start, hey, listen, I want y'all to, listen, comment down. Just be going for shit. Whatever business, whatever, like literally just 10 toes, just go for shit. And just like balls to the wall. You feel me? Let's do it, y'all. Comment down below 2020. I was gonna say 2025, but I think 2024 is still valid. We got half a year left. Let's go. 2024. Listen. I remember nights in the back end when we was in the trap and we was smoking gelato in the back end. Niggas, we don't smoke no more. We just counting up and stuff. We just getting that. We goes in the glimmies. Baby, come to me. We don't really fucking niggas. We don't fuck with none niggas. Fuck none niggas. We keep the circle so like a smooth niggas. Not smoking, don't nigga. You ain't gotta play the pause, nigga. You ain't gotta play with pose, nigga. There's all kind of opportunity, nigga. You ain't gotta play with pose, you ain't gotta do it, no. You can get up on it, no. You ain't gotta get that crook, I was gonna say, you can get the guy. Fuck, made that ass, shorty do like that. We ain't even got a rat-a-tat. A young nigga, handsome and black. Young nigga, handsome and black. Make that booty clap, whoa, young nigga, that, See the chain, that, shades on my eyes like that. Hat to the right, cock like that. Young player, nigga. We gon' dip the shoulder. We gon' do the whole test, no trip. Fuck you talking about? It's a vibe in here, and we gon' wild it out. We gon' hit it. This the perks of ADHD, niggas. You hate me, I ain't gotta do that. We be moving low key up in these trenches, though, flipping packs, picking stoves, and we ain't got. What? egg and rice and orange juice and water. Man, I didn't really eat all day, bro. This ain't even nothing, but I'm about to smash this real quick. So hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. I'm about to just edit up content, catch up on work, get ready to wake up early tomorrow and get after it. I'm supposed to be pretty much, so today's the 9th. So I'm supposed to be leaving this Airbnb. I may extend one more day, or I may go and try one more Airbnb, but this time went by pretty fast. And then I'm supposed to be going to Bali come the 10th, 11th. So that's pretty much in a day or two. So it makes more sense for me to extend since I'm not really staying that long, right? I'm setting up a place, a long-term 1 month stay at, what is up with these sounds? A 1 month stay at Bali. So that's still pending, so I have to lock that in, so I know exactly what I'm saying. But yeah, man, stay tuned. Y'all see the vibes. Today was just, went out on a little adventure. You feel me? Found a cafe, got some work in, had a meeting, found a gym in the mall, got a day pass, got it in, vibed, got some food. We're here. That's day in the life, man. So yeah. Peace. Oh, I did want to say something. So something I'm going to talk about really quickly is the power of it just being a lifestyle. Like, fitness really just has to become your self-identity and lifestyle. Like, it's not about, like, for example, today, earlier, you know, I didn't know exactly when I was going to work out, but I know that I was going to work out, right? It just has to become just such a part of your identity, and it only becomes like that from consistently forcing yourself to go into a point that you like it. You also have to like find enjoyment of it, like whether it be calisthenics, whether it be bodybuilding, whether it be pole dancing, whatever it may be. Find your spark, you feel me? Something that inspires you to get up and go. So even when it does get hard and it's, you know, you don't feel like going, at least once you do start, it is, you know, enjoying. Because this is enjoying for me. And that's why I switch it up. You know, I'm a hybrid athlete. I do different types of training because I think it's fun. You feel me? Like, and I want to be strong for all kind of different things. So, yeah, it doesn't matter if you have your gym clothes. You feel me? Y'all saw I just pulled up. I'll pull up to the gym in some jeans and a hoodie and just get a pump in real quick. It's better than not, you know? So it's better than just continuing to be like, oh, man, I will stop by the gym right now, but I don't have my outfit, my gym clothes on. I don't have my bag. Well, you better go up in there, get that pump real quick, and keep it pushing. But yeah, sometimes it'd be like that for real. But it just becomes a part of your identity and lifestyle. You just got to get it in by any means. You feel me? All right, peace, love. Hit the like, subscribe, gang.